In this video, we're going to show you how you can view your entire comment history on TikTok. If you do find this video helpful, please like the video and consider subscribing. Over time, you've likely left a ton of comments here on TikTok, and you can see all of them in one place. Here's exactly how you can do so. Begin by opening up TikTok and then tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From here, you're going to want to go ahead and click on those three lines in the top right corner and then scroll down till you see the settings and privacy option. Go ahead and open that, and next, what you're going to want to do is find this content and display option right here and find activity center. Open that up, and up at the top, you're going to see a few different options. You're going to want to find comment history. This is going to show you every single comment that you've left, as well as a date next to when you left it. It really is as simple as that though. If you have any questions on this process, feel free to ask us down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more TikTok tutorials. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.